Alright, let's do this. Hi, this is Cassidy, and she's gonna do some makeup today. And of course, she asked me to go in this video and try to... Okay, I'm gonna try to understand what she's doing. She showed the base, I guess. I think, yeah. Yes, okay. So she's gonna start with the base on her, the foundation. So she's gonna start with the foundation. Okay, there we go. Yes, this is the part where I remember seeing, and I was like, what? Because she passes all over her face, and then she blends in with the sponge kind of thing. So there we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's the blend part. That's a good one. Yeah, there we go. So all on the face. That's a lot of blend. Okay, so this one I don't remember. There's like a particular number there. Oh, I am in the background. Okay, never mind. So, so there we go. So this is the, I think it's called concealer. I think it's called concealer because it's close to the eyes, like the bottom of the eye. So yeah. Let's keep that one, and then also in the middle of the forehead. Okay. And also in the chin. Yeah. And she's probably gonna blend that in too. Or, yeah, I don't know why. Why you're doing that, but that's okay. Okay, so, oh yeah, there we go. So this is the blend part. That's a good one. Alright. So, yeah, I think that's the concealer. That's what it's called. And that's the type of brush to fix I guess the blend edges or something. I think she's using some other type of powder also. Yes, there's a palette there. Okay, yeah, that's the palette. Oh, this is the part that she adds the, I think is the shadow. She's probably gonna add like, yeah, some contour. Yeah, I think it's called contour. So yeah, you can definitely see the contour already. Okay, yeah. And then you have the blend part. She's also contouring close to the hairline. Okay, I think it's a little, yeah, that's like a lighter color than the one that she used for the contour in the cheeks and the jawline. Okay, and then she's blending in with the brush. Nice, already looking pretty, huh? Yes, cool. Now this is the blush, right? Yeah, that's the blush. There we go. That's the part where she adds a little color to the cheeks. And oh, this is the palette I gave her for Christmas. It was actually really nice. And that's another palette. There's a lot of colors, probably blending really good, all of them. Started with a lighter one, probably getting a little bit more red in that part. Yes, that's correct. And then also in the on the nose. Good. And she's gonna use that tone. Yeah, that's color. Okay, she's gonna pass that around. Okay, so we're around the eyelids. Okay, so I think that's the base where she does the shadow, and then she's gonna blend a bunch of colors. Yeah, she does that thing with the, yep, I remember that part. This part is like where she kind of like blends in a third or half of the eyelid, and then she just blend out, yeah, like that, kind of like a smudge. There we go. And then she blends in with everything else. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, a little bit more, just to mark the corner of the eye. And oh, nice. I think she's gonna add another color on the other side. Yeah, close to the, yeah, she's gonna add probably this one. Okay, so she blends in the middle with that one. Yep, there we go. Okay, yep, kind of subtle, but still. It's almost, is it like gold? I think it's gold. Yeah, it looks gold. Okay, I'm in full time. And I'm moving the background. Sorry for that, guys. Alright. Okay, so she's done with this part. Now she's trying to pick which one probably gonna finish. Oh, she's gonna finish with the lighter one. Yep, close to the nose side. In the corner of the eyes like that. Yep. Yeah, this part I remember. And then she's blending everything. So it has this really cool effect. It's really like fall-like, so I think it's really, really nice on her. And it seems to be kind of easy to do. Not gonna lie, I don't think I would do it. Maybe on her face, but I think it seems kind of easy to do. It's like a 3-color type of blending, and then now she's adding a little bit of darker color in the bottom of the eye, so it kind of make it, I think, look bigger a little bit or something. There we go. Yep, that's nice. That's definitely a fall type of makeup style. Alright, so now she's gonna add, looks like purple, maybe purple. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a darker one. Makes a lot of shadow there. And then she's probably gonna, yep, she's gonna blend in, and then she's gonna probably add a darker color to make the wing a little bigger. Yes, that's the one that she uses to, I don't know the name of this. It's kind of mark your eyelid. Yeah, there we go. Mark the edge of your eyelids, and it goes all the way. Yep. Oopsies. Saw that one. And then she's passing. Okay, yeah, she's trying to make the same on the other side. That's hard. She told me that it's really hard to keep like the symmetry on one side and another. It's kind of hard, right? But that's okay. All right, so this is the okay. That's for the eyelash, and that's okay. Yeah, let's see how that goes. A little bit more blending, of course. Ooh, pretty. It's beautiful. It really matches with the wings style, so you kind of have this. Oh, I love it already. Bubbles, you're looking really good. Okay, this one. Super short. I have no idea. Let's see what's gonna. Oh, I think that's the highlight. Yeah, that's the highlight. So it's a small brush that is just a few areas on the face, so a little bit in the corner. I remember we went to a fun expo once, and we participated in this speech of the lady talking about makeup for, for cosplay and stuff, and she kind of was explaining where exactly to put the highlights and stuff, and then it was kind of really interesting. Maybe an interesting knowledge, I guess. Everyone should have at least some sort of experience with that. That would be cool. I think she's added the highlight also. Yep. The corner and up of the eyes, and also in the eyebrows. Nice. Ooh, beautiful. That's really, really pretty. Now, oh yeah, now it's the part that I think I like the most. Lipstick. That's a shade of, I think it's a nude type of color, right? Yeah, I guess so. It makes the whole contour of the lips beautiful. Oh yeah, oh my god, that's gorgeous. Wow. I think it's not that glossy. I think it's called matte or something. So yeah, it's like a matte type of lipstick, I guess. And now, oh yeah, now she's adding this color over the same lipstick just to to give an interesting effect on the whole lips. Nice. And this thing, I don't know that. She's gonna show, yeah, she's gonna show something. Yep. Let's see how that goes. Oh, so she just like blends in with the color, and that's pretty much it. Beautiful. It looks really good for the fall, Bubbles. There we go. Yeah, great. Hope everyone liked it. It was an easy makeup for the fall, and I guess that it's really great. And this hairstyle, oh wow, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.